to emphasize and to confirm the concept of risk premium is the amount of the money or the amount of the wealth that the person is ready to pay in order to make sure that he has the same utility, which is a confirmed utility, and the amount of that utility is exactly equal to expected value of the utility. So now, we want to do exactly the same example just for the risk lover person. So the difference will be that instead of having the utility curve, which is concave to the origin, for the risk lover person, the utility curve will be convex to the origin. So I try to summarize the given input of the example, and then we do it for the risk lover person. So the input that we have, we try to use exactly the same input, is that we have, for example, the utility amount, which is equal to wealth of 10 is equal to 70, then the utility amount, which is equal to wealth of 70 is equal to 140, and then we have the expected wealth, which is exactly like previous example, the expected wealth is equal to 40, and then we have one associated expected utility for this expected wealth that exactly we calculated before, going to be the same, it is 105. The only difference with that is that in this example, the utility associated with wealth of 40 is equal to 82. As per given by the book. So it is 82. So now I want to draw the graph for the risk lover person. Then it is utility. Then we say that it is, remember we said that it is convex to the origin. Since it is convex to the origin, so it means that we have 10 here, we have 40 here, and then we have 70 here. Then with 10, the expected utility is equal to 70, and then with this, let's say that it is here, so the value is equal to 140, and the expected wealth between these two is that the time that we draw a line between these two, and then in between it's going to be the expected wealth. So the expected wealth is equal to 40, which is exactly like here. So this is the expected wealth. But the confirmed utility of this wealth is 82. So it means that the confirmed utility I have to draw is that from here, from the wealth of 40 on the utility curve, I come here, so then it is 82. So this is the confirmed utility. But how about the associated utility about the expected wealth? So from here again, I take this and I come here, so we have calculated, it is like the other one, it is 105. So we have calculated this, right? So it means that we get the expected utility of this point, expected utility of this point, and we calculate the expected utility between these two, it will be equal to 105. So now, how much is, for this amount of 40, for the wealth of 40, how much is the confirmed utility? 82. How much is the expected utility? It is 105. So as you can see, for the risk lover person, the expected utility is more than the confirmed utility. Why? Because this person is risk taker, risk lover. So it means that this person is ready to take more risk. Of course, his utility going to be higher. And in this situation, so once we are seeing that the expected utility is bigger than the confirmed utility, we know that the person is risk lover. So in this situation, I want to calculate the risk premium. So let's just put all the numbers into this formula. It is saying that the expected wealth, which leads to expected utility. So expected wealth, how much is the expected wealth of this utility is 40. So let's put 40. So now we are calculating the risk premium. So the expected value which is leading to expected utility is 40 minus the confirmed wealth associated with this utility. So it means that we assume that this is our utility, expected utility, the confirmed wealth associated with that. So it means that I take this until I reach to this utility curve and then I come down. So the amount here is the confirmed wealth associated with that. So the book has given that this number is 58. So it means that to calculate the risk premium, it is 40 minus 58. So is this number negative or positive? So this number is negative. So this is another sign for you to see that the risk premium for a risk lover person is negative. So it means that this person is not ready to pay anything. This person is also taking something because he wants to take more risk. This person is ready to pay something because he wants to avoid risk. So what do we expect about the risk premium of the risk neutral person? Yes, the risk premium will be equal to 0 because for the neutral person, the expected utility will be exactly equal to confirmed utility. And how is the utility shape? The utility shape is the straight line. So once more, for the risk neutral person, the utility shape is the straight line. The risk premium is equal to 0. For the risk averse person, the utility curve is concave to the origin. The risk premium is positive. For the risk lover person, the utility curve is convex to the origin and the risk premium is negative.